Fix Instagram add to story not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix your Instagram story when it is not showing up. So that first thing you guys need to do is just go to your Instagram and just make a random video, and after that just make a random video, and after that click on that forward arrow, and you can see there's two options, that one you can share with your story and the second with the close friend, and third you can just simply text a personal message. But if these three features are not showing up, what we can do to fix that? So this whole just happened because due to the bug in your Instagram account. So for that you guys have to just go to the setting part and then go to general, and in general you have to go to storage, and in storage you guys just have to search for Instagram, and in Instagram you can see that there are the cache and the total. You have to delete all your cache data, and this will just delete all the bugs that happen in your Instagram or just in your Instagram. And after that you might do not face any problem related to that particular video or just something you want to add to story. I hope this video was a big help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.